Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to Photon Academy. My name is Harshwats, and today we are going to introduce different types of filter in Power BI Desktop. Power BI Desktop is an analytical software that will help you in understanding your dataset through various visualization and different data models. Now let us go further and talk about the point to be discussed in this video. So in this video we will particularly talk about three filters. So I hope you have understood through the point to be discussed in this video that how many type of filter we are going to discuss in this video. So first of all we will talk about report filter, after that we will cover page filter, and in the end we will talk about color filter. So these are the three filters that we are going to talk about in this video. Now let us go to the Power BI desktop and understand how these three filter works. Now we are in Power BI desktop in data model interface and specifically in report view section, because only in report view section you will be able to see the visualization which you are being able to see in here. So in my previous video I have created the tree map with a multiplication and interactivity with a three slicer. If you want to learn that, you can go to my previous video and see how does that happen. Now let's get back to the question of this video about different type of filter. So in Power BI desktop in data model interface, there are specifically three filters. That one is report filter, after that page filter, and thirdly is color filter. So what is report filter? So in here filter section, so in a filter pane, you will see there is written as a filters on all pages. So this is a report filter. If I click in here, you will see apply to all visuals in all pages in this report. So this report has 4 pages. If I apply certain changes into the report filter, the changes will happen in all the 4 pages, and that's the same difference with the page section. If I apply any changes into a page, it will apply only to this page of the whole report. And if I do a color filter, it will specifically for the tree map or certain visualization which I will select it for. So we will go it one by one. First of all, we will cover about report view. That is report filter. Now I want to filter something for all the pages. So how do I do that? How or what will I do? Uh, First of all, I will think of something that I want to remove from the report. That means all pages from the report view. So what will I do? So I will minimize the specification in my years. Like I will cover not the 100 year, which is 1950 to 2100. I will cover 1950 to 2000. So that I want to cover now. So sorry for that. They are 150 years. Now I will cover only 50 years. So that how do I do that? So you have to filter on all pages. Now you will see there is option here, add data fields here. So I have to drop something in here. That should be years, right? Where should I get the years from? So in the field section in a fact population table, I have a year. So in here you will see year. That I have to drag and drop in a filter on all pages. When you drag and drop it, you will see there are further options that opens up in a filter section. That is first of all filter type. So there are two type of filtering. One's advanced filter in which you will see a less than or something like greater than and all that thing. And if you want a basic filtering, you can go in a basic filtering as well. You will see the whole thing are available in a filter section in a basic filtering like 1950, but it will take a lot of time from me to go there from 1950 to further till 20 till 2000. If my data is less, I will use a basic filtering, otherwise it's of no use. So I will go again into an advanced filtering and I will apply the changes in advanced filtering only. So I want the data from 1950 to 2000, right? So how should I go with that? That first of all is less than or equal to. That should be 2000, because I want a data less than or equal to 2000 and greater than or equal to 1950. So just after that, go down, and after putting everything in a bracket or putting up the all option, you can always choose an option from and or, but in this query, we will use an and only option. After that, doing everything, just click on apply filter. When you apply filter, you will see there are certain changes that happened in your visualization. If you go into a slicer, you will see now you have a data from the 1950 to 2000 only. If I go to another page, you will see now you are having a data from 1950 to 2000 only. Like I can choose from any country, Europe. Now the data is on only 50 years rather than 150 years. If I go in my first page, then also you will see 1950 to 2000 data. So this is how you will do a report filter. That means filter on all pages. So after doing that, just close this thing, and after this we will cover about page filter. Now I have told you the difference. If I apply the filter on all pages, that is a report filter. Now I want to apply a filter on particularly this page of report view. How do I do that? In that case, you have to go into the page filter. Filter on this page. So on this page, how do I think of applying filters? So in that case, I have to go like there are region name. I don't want a South America, or you can say Oceania. That is because the country has so much of less population. I do not require that thing. So I want to remove that thing. How do I do that? For specifically this page, not for other pages. So in that case, you have to go into the dimension region, because in here also you have to apply data fields that requires a region name. So I will drag and drop the region name in a filter page. Now you will see there are two options again: basic filtering, advanced or basic. In here I will tell you, because you should go for basic, because there are not so much of data available like in the case of years where you require an advanced filtering. I will select all. After that, I will remove Oceania. So in that case, after applying everything, just you will see that in a region name, the Oceania will be removed. So this is how you will do a filtering, or you can say a page filtering. So region name is not Oceania. So this is here you will also see that you have applied filter on this page. When I go on another page, I will see again the data is available in this page, but for the year it is not, because I have applied it on the report filter, which is filter on all pages. Again, on the second page, the data is available for that Oceania, and first page you will see in here the data for Oceania is available, but in the page 4 it won't be. Now I have applied the filter for all pages. After that, applied for the particular page. Now I want to apply the filter for particular this visualization. That means for the tree map. How do I do so? I want to make changes in the tree map visualization. When I click on it, you will see in a filter section there are few changes. Now we have a filter on this visual. We already have a two filter that is applied, but there are no as such selection we have done, because country is all and population is all. Now in that case, I want a country that is top 20 countries. In that case, how should I go for that? Again, in that case, you have to just expand this country. After that, you can go for basic filtering, which I do not require because it takes a lot of time, and I do not know which are the top 20, 15 countries on the basis of population, because on the basic filtering you just remove one country only. So I will go for advanced filtering, because that also not work in this case, because on the basis of equal to or contain, because on that case only I can apply for it. In this case we will go for top n, because top n on the like 15 top 15 countries. But in here, there is something that you should always remember by value. Because if you want the top 15 countries on the basis of what? That's right, on the basis of what requires an answer. So, on the basis of population, I want to do this. So, on the basis of population, you should drag and drop the population from fact population table. In that case, I will go in a population, again drag and drop a population. So when I drag and drop on a population, after that apply filters. you will see changes in the visualization. Now only we have a 15 countries. So these are the 15 countries that are top 15 countries on the basis of population. So this is how the visual filter will work. So I have covered all the filters that are available in a data model, and now I hope you have learned every filter that is available in it. Now use them wisely. So with this point, I am going to end this video and I hope your queries got clear. And if not, kindly write us in comment section. We will surely get back to you. And if this video helped you in any way, kindly drop us a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel for amazing videos in future. Till then, have an amazing and good day.